So my friend, I purchased this wireless microphone, and in this video I want to do the unboxing and review of this microphone, and then you will write it down in the comments below if you can go for it or not. So without further ado, let's get started. Now first, it comes in this very beautiful, I don't know if it is beautiful box, and let me just open it and show you what's in here. So when you open it, it has two wireless microphones, and we have a receiver here. Just allow me to remove this. So we have this microphone in here, we have a receiver, and then we have another wireless microphone, and then we have this it's changing from type C to type D, okay, for Android, that is. And then again in the box, allow me remove this, we have this small box here that has a type C, okay, USB-C cable, okay, for charging, and then we have a manual. Okay, so that is everything that is in this very box. So how does this thing work? So I said this is a receiver, it's a type C receiver, but then if you have a type D Android, what you do, you clip it here and then you turn it from type C to type D, okay? And then we have these two microphones, and on these microphones we have little buttons here, on and off, okay? Again, this has on and off button, and then it has a clip that you can, clip on your shirt or on your coat, and it really works beautifully. Now, on the side of these small microphones, you have a type C port, and here is where you charge your very, wireless microphone. So you plug it in and then plug it in a charger, okay? So you can charge this, and again this also has a port, you can also charge it just like that. And then also I realized that on the very receiver we have the USB-C port, which can be used to charge your phone. So for example, you are using your phone and it doesn't have power, so you plug it in, and then you also plug it in here, a USB-C, so that your phone will charge at the same time it's recording. Beautiful. So when you power it on, you see it has a red green light, okay? So there's a light that blinks. All right, so why can't I connect this and then show you the review part of it so that you can judge if you can go for this wireless microphone or not? Now, I have connected the receiver to the phone, and it is just a plug and play. It has automatically paired with this very wireless microphone, and we can observe that by looking at this green light. Once the light turns to green, that means it has successfully paired with the receiver, and therefore we can now record using this very microphone. This sound that you are hearing right now is from this condenser microphone. Now, the sound that you are hearing right now is unprocessed audio from this wireless microphone, and it is almost 5 centimeters away from my mouth. Now, this sound that you are hearing is now the processed audio from this wireless microphone. You can rate this microphone on a scale of 10 and therefore decide if or not you are going to purchase this microphone. For those who are starting, I believe this would be a good investment for your audio, at least to improve the audio quality. And as I usually tell you, your video is 50% audio and 50% video. So you need to improve your audio. You can drop me a comment down below rating this microphone out of 10. We can even test it further when I've pushed it about 10 centimeters away from my mouth and see if it's still picking in that range, or even push it further away and see the differences in the audio. Does it pick these decibels away from the source? Because sometimes you might want to put this microphone on a jacket somewhere here, which is almost 20 centimeters or so. So it still needs to pick that crispy audio for you. So rate this out of 10 and let me know down in the comments below if you are going to purchase this microphone. I hope this video helped you, and if that is the case, you already know what to do. Boop that like button so that this video can be recommended to more people. You can also share this video to those who are seeking to purchase wireless microphones so that they can evaluate the quality of this audio before they go ahead and purchase this very microphone. Otherwise, at this moment, I want you to click anywhere on the screen to watch our next video, and I'm pretty sure that I will see you in that video. Peace.